Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make money online in 2023. So let's dive in. Easier way to make money online is answering the survey. These are the little survey sites that you can use. Value Opinion, IBOS, IC, Swagbags, and DGM Panel. Some survey sites will give vouchers, and some will give you cash, buy now, pay bill, or other payment methods, so you can use whatever you want. Tip number 2 is affiliate link. You can put the affiliate links in the YouTube video description of Facebook post or Instagram post. If someone buying the product by clicking the link you provided, you will get the commission fee. The commission fee depends on the product that they purchase and the platform that you use. Some websites give you 5% or 10% on the product. So if you get more sales, you will receive more money. If you provide the links in different kinds of platforms, you will earn a lot of money. Tip number 3 is freelance job. If you are good at graphic design, video editing, virtual assistant, website development, content writing, you can make money online. These are the websites called Upwork.com, Apan.com. These websites are for the freelancer who want to make money at home. So if you get more sales, you will receive more money. If you provide the links in different kinds of platforms, you will earn a lot of money. Tip number 4 is selling print-on-demand products. Selling beauty product is pretty much easy to make money. You can sell beauty products through this platform called Etsy, Redbubble, Teespring, and much by Amazon. You can make thousands of money if you sell beauty products in 2023. So these are the 4 tips that you can earn money online in 2023. If you want to see more video about making money online in the future, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss any videos in the future.